In this video, we're going to talk about the media. I turn the TV on at 6 o'clock every day to watch the news. I like to see what is happening in the world. After the news, I change channel and I watch soaps for an hour. Soaps, or soap operas, are TV shows which are normally on TV every day and are about people's lives. I like watching soaps, but I don't like watching reality TV. There are a lot of reality TV shows in the UK. I think that the most famous reality TV show is Love Island. In these shows, you can see real people living their lives, dating, or meeting new people. I don't like them because they are often very fake. The things that happen in the shows aren't really true, so you don't know what you can believe. I like watching nature programs on Sundays because I think that they are very interesting and relaxing. I like to learn about all the animals and plants, especially in the forests. There are some good documentaries on TV as well. I like watching documentaries about crime. Documentaries are serious programs that talk about and investigate a social problem. It can be about crime, drugs, murders, those types of problems. I don't usually watch cartoons like The Simpsons or Disney movies on TV. I watched cartoons when I was a child, but not now that I am an adult. I prefer to watch series with actors in them. I don't like watching sports programs either. There are a lot of sports programs on TV, especially after football or cricket games and races. Because I like to watch the news on TV, I don't have to buy a newspaper every day. I sometimes buy a magazine when I go on holiday, because I don't have internet on the plane and it is quite entertaining to look at. I like to buy a travel magazine to look at different places that I can visit in the future. What I don't like about magazines is that they have a lot of adverts. You pay £3 or £4 for a magazine, and half of the pages in it are adverts, so I don't think that's fair. I don't ever buy sports magazines, computer magazines, or teenager magazines. When I was younger, when I was a teenager, I bought teenager magazines. They had a lot of articles about singers and actors and celebrities in general. There were articles about fashion and tips. When I was a teenager, there wasn't so much information on the internet, so it was good to read a magazine every 2 weeks or every month to see what my favorite celebrities were doing. Now it's very easy to see what celebrities are doing because you can go on their Instagram or Twitter page and see where they are and what they're doing at the moment. Sometimes there are some really interesting interviews in the travel magazines. The journalists choose fascinating people to interview and ask them so many good questions. In the last one I bought, there was an interview with a pilot who has flown all over the world. He talked about his favorite airports to fly to and the most difficult airports to land at. He also talked about what you can visit and do in these places. The reporter asked him some very good questions, so it was very entertaining to read. I sometimes buy magazines for my hobbies. One of my hobbies is knitting, and magazines are very good because they include a lot of instructions. For example, if I want to knit a special blanket, I need the instructions to follow. And the problem is that when the instructions are online, you normally have to pay for them. So it's cheaper to buy a magazine that includes 10 or 15 instructions than pay £4 for only one thing for me to create. In the comment section, I would like you to tell me if you watch the news on TV or read the news in a newspaper or on your mobile phone, like on a news app. Let me know in the comment section. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe. Thank you, and I'll see you in another video.